informative video. Well, today I'll be talking about tire pressures. Tires are a very important part of cars. They're the parts that make contact with the roads, and extreme care has to be paid to them so that accidents won't happen. Tire pressures significantly affect how a vehicle handles in corners, including its braking and how comfortable the ride is. Recent vehicles have tire pressure monitoring systems, but some give only low tire pressure warnings. A lot of information can be found on the sidewall of a tire. Information such as the tire size, its speed rating, load rating, the maximum load the tire can carry, and also its maximum pressure. The maximum pressure written on a tire should never be exceeded under any conditions. Pressure varies according to temperature. The higher the temperatures, the higher the pressures. It is strongly recommended to check tire air pressures when they are cold. These pressures are usually stated either on the door jamb or in some place on the vehicle. In this case, the pressures are stated on the lid of the glove box compartment. So on this sticker, it's clearly stated cold tire inflation pressure. Also, we have on there the tire size recommended for this vehicle. In this case, it's a 195/60R15. So we can see lots of pressure readings on here. What exactly do they mean? On the first row where we have the 160 kilometers per hour and then a wavy sign, that implies that if you're planning to go over 160 kilometers per hour, which I don't recommend, you run those pressures. The first set is for a car that has only 4 passengers, for the front wheels, and then for the rear wheels. That implies 33 psi in front and 35 at the back. This information can also be found in the car owner's manual. The best time to check tire air pressures is in the morning when the vehicle hasn't been driven at all for the day. This will ensure a very good baseline without having to compensate for any temperature variations. To facilitate measuring the tire pressures while the tires are very cold, I have my own pressure gauge. Here it is right here. I also have this pump which I got on Amazon. The drawback to this is that it makes a lot of noise. By the way, it gets connected to the cigarette lighter in the car. It's quite convenient, but whenever I'm taking my pressures first thing in the morning, I don't like to wake up the neighbors. So I have a better solution. So here it is, my manual bicycle pump. It does 2 things. Whenever I need to pump up my tires, it helps me get a workout first thing in the morning and also get some air in my tires. Let me show you how. All you need to do is to unscrew the valve cover, strap it on, and then work out. Since you'll be topping up the tires, usually if you're going for this car, it's a 15-inch rim. By the time I'm done doing 10 pumps, that will get me up about 4 psi, so it's quite convenient. It's not too difficult to, as you can see, I'm talking and pumping at the same time. Rather I should say talking, pumping, and getting some air in my tires. So you should try it out too. So I just checked, my pressures are very good. I've worked out this morning, gotten air in my tires, and I haven't woken up the neighbors. That's a win for me. So thank you for watching. Subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Bye.